Three.
All by himself. Sometimes you get that axle hop going on. I didn't quite see that, but definitely easy to be loose on entry.
Ooh, problems for the 52. Looks like it's a flat left front tire.
Or listen,
Left rear.
Left rear tire looks like.
Oh, yeah.
Indeed, it's the left rear.
Like for Kurt to hit on this as well. Trouble on the racetrack. Caution, caution.
On the front stretch, it's the 83 of Dawson Cram. Watch the 83 of Cram there as Friesen tried to squeeze underneath him, the contact, and the 83 of Cram goes around.
Let's do say that Stuart Friesen is back on the lead lap. He took the wave around at the end of stage 2 to get back on the lead lap.
Myatt Snyder dive into the bottom to take the lead.
Bulldozing it in there.
Oh, and Enfinger goes around. Some contact deeper in the pack.
Didn't go on the restart. Somehow Enfinger gets turned around. The 99 of Purdy, Chase Purdy, gets turned around.
Could have been much more collateral damage than that.
And with this win, he will secure his spot in the championship 4. Johnny Sauter will get his 4th win at Martinsville. No one has won more in the truck than Johnny Sauter.
Fantastic job from that team today. Way to go. Automatic berth to the Homestead round. Battle for championship.
Up on that 43 car on corner exit. Behind him.
And a problem in turn 2, the 51. As Jeff Burton behind the wheel got up into the wall in turn 2. Now 44 laps into 130 lap first stage.
Brakes, let's see. He's already up on the wall. Perhaps melted the bead in that right front tire. Or cooling well and doing well. You can see that left rear bounce pretty bad right there.
We see that a lot at this racetrack. He's underneath Eric Jones, wheel hopping. Now he's up the racetrack and kind of along for the ride. Luckily, Eric Jones didn't get damaged. Someone else behind him got
The
damaged.
tank mode right now. He may have to give up. Oh, we got a car on the wall. 24. William Byron in turn 3 and 4 is spun around.
Into the wall, right in the middle of turns 3 and 4. The caution will come out.
Tell from this angle what started it, but whether he got any help earlier on corner entry or whether he wheel hopped the rear, we don't have another look. So
And wrecked him while he was running up front. Timmy Hill in the 66. You see the flames rolling from underneath that car. DW throwback paint scheme as Timmy Hill jumps out of that car, and the fire extinguishers will go to.
that's right on pit entry.
You got out okay.
See, if you're going to force a yellow, you can't have a car sitting on pit road entry. That thing's
Loose
not
at the
going to
front
move.
there, huh?
Caution coming out quickly for this.
Wow.
Burst into flames as he was coming down the backstretch.
Yeah. Some liquid coming out of the bottom of the car there, some kind of oil line or something. I'd guess, Steve, that it looks like a mechanical failure that then caught on fire. So it's going to take a little bit of time for this to get cleaned up. Only 9 laps on the tires. I can't imagine the leaders will pit. Harvick, McMurray, Newman, the last few cars in the lead lap. I know it's only 9 laps, Rick, but they may come to pit road, make some adjustments for another short run.
They'll have a car as good as the 11. The 42 was a problem.
Kyle Larson into the wall on the backstretch.
Stop here. Stop up against the wall. Stop.
Has some sort of major issue with all that smoke. You see, he reaches up, drops the window net. That tells me.
Looks like you got a fire here, Kyle. Go ahead and start unstrapping yourself and get out.
Saw plumes of smoke as he was going right up against the wall, entering turn 3.
Let's take a look at the replay. Looks like his right front tire's got air in it. Off turn 2 here. Something broke.
Doing that. Blowing up here, guys. Blowing up. Stay up here, Kyle. Stay up. Stay up.
It sounds like it's running, but the car's broken. It's like a left front issue. Yeah, I was wondering if it was driveline, but it's in front of the front tires. That tells me it's engine, not rear gear or transmission.
Yeah, it's not like the motor. You hear the engine lay down. The change.
He'll take second. And around goes the 14.
Oh, that's huge.
Clint Boyer spinning.
17 cars in the lead lap.
Got any damage or we just fit? Flat, no damage.
Take a look at the replay here and see what happened. 3 wide here.
Yeah, 3 wide. Suarez in that 19 car.
I think
Jimmy had pitted on that 399, so he's got a little fresher tires than everybody.
Yeah, I think Jimmy might, I don't know, expected the 19 to back off there. Thought he might have hit the 19
Looking
too.
low. Inside, 3 wide, you're top, 3 wide, you're top. One inside, one inside, one inside.
It allows the 78 to square up on that rear bumper. Just move him out of the way.
He looks to the inside again. Now Martin Truex Jr. setting him up. Coming up on 2 laps of racing to go at Martinsville.
Look at that run on the high groove.
Clear by 3 feet, all clear, 2 to go.
So much pressure inside these cars.
This is an incredible drive by Joey Logano, regardless of the result.
He raced him clean again to the inside. Martin Truex Jr. has the advantage as they come up the turn. He'll see the white flag one more time around. Martin Truex Jr. on the inside looking for his first short track win as well as a trip to Miami to try to defend his championship. The 2017 champion. Will he get the bumper? Yes, he does. Here comes Logano. Logano on the inside. A drag race. They're sideways. And it's going to be Logano getting the win. Joey Logano fighting back.
Miami, baby.
Truex not happy.
Great job, buddy.
Logano put the bumper to the back of the 78 when they were going through 3 and 4. It moved Truex Jr. up the track enough that he had an opening. And the first thing you heard on the radio, Miami, baby.